In this video, I'm going to go right in why Kaspa below $5 is still bearish. That means if the market moved to $3 or $4 is still bearish for me. What that means is Kaspa is going to do more than $5 in the heat of the bull market in 2025. So in this video, I'm going to dive right into that. And the reason why Kaspa is one of the best layer 1 crypto that you can find in the space right now, and correlating it with what the market did with Solana, ADA, matic, and ethereum, which are both layer 1 and layer 2 coin. And this is very important and realistic expectation and prediction in the heat of the bull market in 2025. So if you are ready, let's dive right into the details. If you are new here, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about crypto, day trading strategy to keep you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Kaspa right now is trading at 0.17, and if you look at it right here, 91,000% all-time increase. Okay, even as we are just coming out of the bear market, no layer 1 and layer 2 coin have done this much, and this is very, very important. Kaspa right now is $4.1 billion with 84% of its total supply already in circulation. So we have the max supply right here of 28.7 billion, and 24 of it is already in circulation. The circulating supply is equal to the total supply right here, which is very, very okay. Now Kaspa have its own blockchain, and for me it is the best layer 1 crypto in this very bull market, and I am betting hard on Kaspa right now. So if you don't have Kaspa in your portfolio, I believe Kaspa is going to do well, and you should think about getting some Kaspa in your portfolio right now, guys. And if you look at what Kaspa is doing at the moment, if you look at other coins or crypto are dipping right down. Look at the chart right here. Market move upward, created a new high and come back down and not creating any new low. This is just like a little retracement, and we are going to see the market begin to move to the upside. If you look at other coins or other crypto in layer 1 or layer 2 space, you discover that most of them have dipped right down, creating lower lows. We look at Bitcoin, dip up to $54,000, but Kaspa is still maintaining strength. This is one of the ways you see crypto or coin that's going to do very, very well in the heat of the bull market. This is very, very certain. Okay, so if the market move drastically upward and the retracement when other crypto is dropping right down significantly is very little, it means that when the market begins to move to the upside, that very coin is going to move aggressively upward, just like we've seen in the case of Kaspa. Another coin that exhibits that very characteristic is also Ethereum. Ethereum, look at it, in the heat of the last bull market, market moved all the way from here to the upside and then drop right down. This is not a very big significant drop compared to what we see on matic. Market dropped significantly, and what we see on ADA, market crashed back down, even approaching where the market moved from in the last bull market. So this is a very integral thing you need to pay attention to when looking out for coin that is going to do well in the heat of the bull run. Look at the correction when all coins are correcting and how the market moves to the upside. Having said that, if you look at what Solana did in the last bull market, let's say for example, I hold Solana from around $6-8 in the last bull market. So if you look at it here, in this very February 2022, market move all the way from here, let's say $5 at this very point, market move upward up to this very area of $250 for one Solana. So if market move up to $250 and then you divide that by where the market moved from, that is $5, then that means Solana did 50x in the heat of the last bull market. This is very important, and Solana is on the layer 1 and layer 2 blockchain. And if you look at ADA moved all the way from this very area, which I was also holding ADA as well, from this area of 0.048 up to this very area of $3. So if you do the math, it is covered from $3 divided by 0.048. Okay, so this is 62x. This is very, very massive. Now, ADA is a layer 1 coin, and Kaspa, I believe, is going to do more than ADA in the heat of this very bull market. So if ADA did 62x in the last bull market, what do you think ADA is going to do in this very bull market? Remember, ADA correction is very, very aggressive to the downside. And if you look at Polygon Matic have good structural formation after the bull market, and market is coming back down as well. But if you look at it from this very perspective, market move all the way from 0.049 up to this very area of, let's say, 2.70. So from this very area to 2.70, that is divided by 0.049, and this is 55x. Okay, Matic did 55x in the heat of the last bull market, all the way straight to the upside. Look at ETH here. ETH, I bought ETH at $100, and if I take that into this very calculation, market from $100 around this very area move all the way straight to the upside to $4,700 per ETH. This is crazy. So if you do this calculation, $4,700 per ETH divided by $100, it is covered. This is 47x. This is so important. Now, if you look at it, these coins are both in the layer 1 and layer 2 space. So these are both layer 1 and layer 2 crypto. And Kaspa is a layer 1 crypto. I believe strongly that Kaspa is going to do greatly well. Now, here is my Kaspa prediction in the heat of the bull market in 2025. Now, this is very simple. If you look at Kaspa from this very area when Kaspa came up in 2023 and market began to move upward, so all the while we were in the bear market, it means aggressive bear market, Kaspa has been moving upward till this moment. So it has this capacity of always moving to the upside. So if you are in the comment section right now and you are doubting this very prediction, look at what I have just taken into consideration from what has happened in the past bull market with other coins in the same space with Kaspa, that is the layer 1 and layer 2 blockchain, and market is creating higher highs. From this high, market creates a new high at this point, create another new high at this very area. This is a progressive move. Remember, this all happened in the heat of the bear market in 2023. This is aggressive. So Kaspa was making higher highs and moving all the way to the upside. And from what we see on CoinMarketCap, market has done 91,000%. This is crazy, guys. And this is one of my biggest holes when it comes to layer 1 crypto in the heat of the bull market. And from here, market is going to move to the upside. I believe that $5 for Kaspa is still very bearish, and anything below that is very bearish. My prediction is the least $10 for one Kaspa. Kaspa can do more than that, but I am expecting Kaspa to do the least $10. It can go to $15, $20, $25, and even up to $30 in the heat of the bull market, because a lot of things have changed in this very bull market that we are expecting in 2025 and that have just started. And I am expecting Kaspa to do $10 minimum. What that means is $10 divided by where the price is right now. So if you divide 10 by where the market is right now of 0.16, so I am expecting Kaspa to do 62x. 62x is massive, guys, from where the market is right now. So you can buy right now for a long-term hold. I'm not talking about short-term holding. For a long-term holding, for the market to move to the upside. What this means is, if you put $1,000 on this is what you are going to make in the heat of the bull market. This is $62,500 from a $1,000 investment. This is crazy, guys. What this also means on the other hand, or on the contrary, is that if you use $1,000 and buy at this very price, which is 0.169, this is the quantity of Kaspa you are going to have in your portfolio right now. This is the quantity. And if the price of Kaspa rise up to $10, if you multiply this by $10, you're going to have the same amount almost. This is $59,000 in the heat of the bull run. And this is my minimum, guys. This is the minimum I am expecting Kaspa to do in the heat of the bull run. So what are you going to do right now? If you don't have Kaspa in your portfolio, or you want to buy more, or you don't have it at all, this is the best time to buy, because you may not see it at this very price. Look at what the market has been doing. So after this correction, market move upward. So correction is already in right now. You can buy right here, or wait for the market to drop down a little bit and you buy again, or you dollar cost average when you are buying. What that means is, if you want to buy with $1,000, you can buy with $500 at this very area, and if market drop back down again, you buy with another $500. This is crazy, guys. I am expecting Kaspa to do the least $10 in the heat of the bull market, and anything below $5 is very, very bearish. This is very important from all these details that I have given to you and what has happened in other crypto that are on the layer 1 and layer 2 protocol. So this is very important, guys. Get some Kaspa into your portfolio right now, and you will be glad you did in the heat of the bull market in 2025. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for all that crypto content. Thanks for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.